Through this upcoming week toward Christmas, we do expect a couple of showers, not a whole lot of rain, but some tonight and early tomorrow, especially possibly some morning fog, not just tomorrow, but each day as we get into the next week or so, because we'll keep that warmer setup through Christmas. So a couple showers staying in the 70s and the morning fog. Those will be our weather topics, I think, over the next week. Plus, we have cloudy skies right now. Our temperatures in the 60s north of Lake Pontchartrain and south, most of us in the 60s at this point. And I was showing you satellite and radar quiet for us, but we do have a front to our north, and then we also have high pressure at the surface just out to the east of us. Now, as we move into our precision cast model here comes the front a little closer, and here are some showers and clouds. So this is 7 a.m. tomorrow. Not a whole lot of rain, but you can see this very small, spotty, light showers that we might be seeing. 1 p.m. the front gets a little closer. We have this moisture ahead of it, and 6 p.m. maybe still a shower or two in the area. Now watch what happens though as the front gets close. It stalls out. It does not have the upper support to make it all the way through. Monday morning, this model does have a shower or two, but really not all that much through the daytime hours as that front lifts back off as a warm front, and we just continue with pretty much unchanged kind of temperatures and humidity as we move into the next several days. Tonight, north and south of Lake Pontchartrain will be upper 50s to about 60. I did want to show you tomorrow morning, we do have indications there may be some patchy fog. So not everywhere, but you can see our model picking up on maybe around some of our Mississippi counties, possibly toward Morgan City, Thibodaux, and Baton Rouge. We'll see exact placement early tomorrow, but just a heads up, we don't have a special advisory for our area just yet, but there might be some fog around for early tomorrow as we get these warmer winds, this warmer air from the east, southeast, filtering in over the cooler land areas and especially cooler bodies of water. So that forces the water in the air to condense and creates that fog along the ground. So early tomorrow, some patchy fog possible, a couple stray showers, and then also warm temperatures in the 70s. So tomorrow I have highs near 76. Note the rain chance there at about 30% through the day, and into tomorrow evening will be in the 60s with that continued chance for a couple of showers here and there. Through the rest of this week, that surface front gets close, lifts back up and pops off as a warm front, and then we're looking in the upper atmosphere for this upper ridging. And we've been talking about this for a long time now, that we're expecting this all the way through Christmas week. So some people, kids especially, maybe don't have a lot of work or studies this week, but you can see how warm it will be getting, mid to upper 70s. Now last week we did touch 82 one day as we did have a warm setup, and this week looks like at least mid to upper 70s probably for both Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Now the mornings and the late nights will be pleasant. We'll be dropping through the 60s each evening and then bottoming out in the 50s for lows. But again, watch out for the morning fog if you do have to be out either very late at night or especially early in the morning driving around. Could be some visibility issues. And other than that, we're just way above normal. Mid 60s is the norm or average for highs, and we'll be at least about 10 degrees or so higher than that. So just keep your t-shirts and not really your sweater weather kind of gear handy in the next several days. Heavy coats definitely not needed for this particular Christmas in New Orleans. It does happen where we get this milder setup. Probably not even sweaters needed as we get into Wednesday and Thursday, Christmas Eve and Christmas this year.